In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly mount one of these mailboxes. These are flat sheet metal mailboxes. These mailboxes are very easy to mount. They have two mounting holes inside of the back, on the left and on the right, and then they have a security mounting hole in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and position this. So your first step is to position where you want it to go, and then you're going to get a screw and poke some holes in the top part of each of these mounting holes. You want to mark where you want to put your screws, basically. I like to put the end of a screw into those. So let me do that 1 second. Okay, I just did that and it left the mark there and a mark right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 screws in. Next, I'm going to get my box. I'm going to go ahead and hang it onto these screw heads that I just put in. You can see that it's just balancing on the screws right now to make sure it's level. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and tighten in those screws. Last step, I'm going to grab one more screw and I'm going to put it into this final hole right here. Okay, so now I have all 3 screws in. The box is secure. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. And I see it's a little bit bent, so I'm going to push it in and reshape it. Now it closes and locks the way I want to. And then this letter hole right here is too big, so what I like to do is pinch it in. There, so now it's only the width of a finger instead of a whole hand. So I'll bring that in a little bit. I did the same thing on all my other boxes. And that's how you hang a mailbox.